everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn French with I. Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with I. So today we are going to learn all the 4 seasons in French. So let's get to the board without wasting any time. So aujourd'hui, on va parler au sujet de saison. Il y a 4 saisons. Il y a 4 saisons. Okay, that means there are 4 seasons and we are going to talk about them one by one. So let's see what are the seasons. So first we have printemps, été, now, automne, hiver. So now we have for the season, that is, just focus on the pronunciation. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Now let's look at the pronunciation with the articles, that is French definite articles. So le, it is starting with the vowel, so we are going to add le apostrophe. It is also starting with the vowel, we are also going to add le apostrophe, and it is also starting with the vowel, we are going to add le apostrophe. Okay, now look at the pronunciation with the articles. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Okay, now let's guess what are the 4 seasons, these 4 seasons in English. So I think autumn is very easy, it is autumn. And now we have été and hiver. Any guesses? Alright, let's just say this is autumn. Le printemps, that is spring season, and été is summer, and hiver is winter. Got it? So le printemps means spring season, l'été means summer season, l'automne means autumn, l'hiver means winter. Okay, so these are the 4 seasons that we have. Now let's look at this game. How do you tell that which season is this? Let's say, for example, we have ici, say your month, got it? This is the sentence over here, and now I'm going to fill month with season. Got it? So let's look at this example very clearly. Ici, c'est juin. Ici c'est juin. Et c'est l'été. And then if you want to talk about this is spring, for example, ici c'est mars et say le printemps. So you can easily say which season is this with the month. Fourth season we have is le printemps, that means spring. Le printemps, that is spring season. L'été, that means summer. L'automne, that means autumn. And l'hiver, that means winter. So let's what we have learned today is four season, and the fourth season that we have is le printemps, that means spring. L'été, that means summer. L'automne, that means autumn. L'hiver, that means winter. So these are the four seasons, and you can practice them at home. So make sure you have it on your tips. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon also, so that you can get the notifications on time. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other topic, you can also write it to me in the comment section or mail it to me, learnwithI@gmail.com. So till then, and also please make sure you share this video as much as possible, so that anybody who wants help in this section can get help. And till then, bye.